Hi guys, so in this video let us discuss educational round 96 rated for division 2. This round started a little early today and there were lesser participants. So it's okay, let us see the problems. So first of all, let us see problem A. Problem A says there is a building and there are three types of apartments: 3-room apartment, 5-room apartment, 7-room apartment. And every apartment of each type has that many number of windows. So 3-room will have 3, 5-room will have 5, 7-room will have 7 windows. And basically we are given an integer n which represents number of windows, and we have to find like if n can be expressed in the form of 3x plus 5y plus 7z, that is, if we can express the number of windows uh, as in there will be x number of windows in room 3, sorry, 3-room apartment, y number of rooms in y number of windows in 5-room apartment, and z number of rooms in 7 room apartment. So that many windows we require. So what is it that we are supposed to do? Basically, this is like a O of n square solution, wherein we just take two loops. One loop, the outer loop will be for this will be for 3-room apartment, and this will be for 5-room apartment. Okay, so 3-room apartment will have 3 windows each. 5-room apartment will have 5 windows each. Now we have to check if n minus 3 into I minus 5 into j is divisible by 7. If it is divisible, let k be equal to this value and we'll break out. And more importantly, this should be greater than 0. So this is a simple linear equation in 3 variable. It is like something like this: 3x plus 5y plus 7z equal to n. So this is somewhat like a linear equation in 3 variables. So we have to find 2 variables. Once we find 2, then we can easily find the third one. So for finding the 2, we are using O of n square approach. That is the nested for loop. So I hope this problem is clear. Okay. So that was problem number A. It was brute force O of n square. And if there is no such possible layout, then we print -1. For example, see 4. 4 is impossible. So we print -1. So that was problem A. Now problem B. There are n barrels lined up and ith barrel has AI liters of water, and we can take 2 barrels x and y. X should not be empty. What we should do is we should fill barrel y with how much our water we can with barrel x. That is, we have to pour some water from barrel x into barrel y. And finally, we have to tell we have to tell maximum possible difference between maximum and minimum amount of water in barrel. And we can do this pouring operation at most k times. All the values are positive. So this is like a greedy approach, sorting plus greedy. It is a very simple solution. What is the solution? I'll be sharing now. So this is a greedy plus sorting solution. Basically, take the input, sort the array, okay? Sort the array. And what we want to do is we want to always fill the last barrel. Last barrel will have highest amount of water. We will keep filling that barrel only. That is, we will keep pouring water into that barrel from all the other barrels. Okay, so let us start with n minus 2, that is second last barrel. We will keep pouring all the water into the last barrel. So always A of n minus 1, that is last barrel, will be incremented with A of I. Okay, and the maximum difference, we will always keep recording it. We will keep recording the maximum difference. Actually, this should be max. Yeah, this should be this. Okay, we will keep recording the maximum and finally print the maximum. So for example, what I'm saying is, if the barrels are like 5, 6, 7 and 10, okay, then we will start with 7. We will start with 7. We will put all 7 liters into the last barrel. So this is going to become 5, 6, 0, 17. Next, if we can do one more operation, what will we do? We will choose a barrel 6 and we'll put all the 6 liters into the last barrel. So that is 5, 0, 0 and 23. When you're pouring everything, the barrel will become 0. That is, the amount of water becomes 0 because you're pouring everything. So like this, we will keep doing and recording maximum. So this was a solution to the problem. Okay. It is just a greedy plus sorting approach. So let us see problem C. Problem C, we have written n integers 1 to n. Each operation we choose 2 integers a and b, and we erase a and b and we write a plus b by 2 rounded up. That is seal value. Okay, so we write that on the board. And we want to perform n minus 1 operations. And we have to minimize the last number that is written on the board. We want to minimize that. So how are we going to do it? What approach I used? Basically, first of all, what is the output format? First, we have to tell what is the final minimum value left. And then next n minus 1 lines, we have to tell which 2 integers we are taking. So what I did was, I took a pair, okay, a vector of pairs, because I need to store which 2 elements I'm deleting in every operation. I basically made a vector. This vector contains numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on until n. So this is already sorted, okay? Vector v is sorted, and every operation I will remove last 2 elements and I will take the seal value of it and push it back to the vector. I will take the last 2 elements and push it back to the vector. So like this, I will get the minimum value here. And I'll finally print all the pairs that I've taken. So I will be making a pair of whichever 2 integers I'm deleting. So this is how I will be doing. And this solution will always be correct. So this is also again like a sorting only. Just keep taking last 2 elements and pushing those 2 back into the vector. So this was my solution. If you like my channel and if you like my work, please subscribe to my channel, share my videos with your friends. It will really, really motivate me if you do that. I have made other videos on my internship test experiences, concepts like sliding window, and on also on CodeChef DSA series I have made. So please check out those playlists. It is available in my channel, or I can put a description. I can put the link in the description. So please support me and Stay tuned for something else next time. Okay. Bye.